My husband is working across the house. He can't see me. But I really wanted to put cabinet knobs on the doors, even though he told me he'll do it later. Do you think I have patience to wait? Not even a bit. So I grabbed his tools, and I'm doing it myself. Let's see how he reacts to the drill sound. He doesn't know what I'm doing.
What are you doing? Can I help you? Honey.
Yep.
What are you doing?
I'm screwing.
What exactly is my question?
The cabinets.
No, I hear you. But I see the cabinet that's supposed to be on the floor.
Skip this video if you don't love your mother. Which place would you choose for your mother? Click the follow, like, and share buttons if you choose heaven. I give you 3 seconds to choose.
What the fuck are you doing?
I'm screwing.
What exactly?
The